Hello?
Yeah. Hey, come on downstairs. Golf game's on.
Can't do it.
Why not?
It's Megan. She'll crack her knuckles or dip her toe in the salsa or blink loudly.
Blink loudly?
She can open and close her eyes real loud. I don't know how she does it, but it's kind of scary.
Look, Nicky, if we allow fear of Megan to change our way of life, she's already won. Ouch! It's Mr. Pendleton.
Meow.
Hello, boys.
Ah!
I'm sorry, Dad. It's not worth it.
Come on!
What are you doing?
Watching some golf.
Why are you watching on this TV?
Maybe I just need a break from the life-size clarity of the big screen downstairs.
Megan's still terrorizing you, huh?
I tried to be the tough guy. I stink at it.
Okay. Sweetheart, did it ever occur to you that the reason that you and Megan always butt heads is because she's so much like you?
She's nothing like me.
Oh, really? She's stubborn.
I'm not stubborn.
She's impulsive.
When have I ever...
She's brilliant.
How did... Finish your thought.
She's funny. Oh, she's wildly creative. She's got a great heart and, oh, so much great passion.
Well, she's a Kleinman.
No one talks Kleinman like the Kleinman. So go talk. Just talk.
No hammer.
No.
Please? First, let me say, I know you got the extra earring holes because I overreacted. Fathers are supposed to know what they're doing. But to tell you the truth, sometimes I'm just guessing. So I need you to cut me a little bit of slack when I guess wrong. And by the same token, when you make a mistake, I need to cut you a lot of slack because you're not even supposed to know what you're doing yet.
Okay.
That being said, I can't just let these go because that was a big screw you to me.
Yeah, I guess I was being pretty snotty. I'm really, really sorry.
Thank you. Now, how to fix this?
Okay, well, I might have an idea. I mean, if you're willing to hear it.
I'm listening.
Okay, well, since I've been home so much lately, I'm really up on my schoolwork, and I've had tons of time to study for my midterms.
So you think you did pretty well on them?
I think I did.
And so you're saying a reward might be in order?
I don't know. That would be up to you.
Huh. Interesting. Education is very important, and success in it should be rewarded.
Yes, yes, yes.
So when do you get your grades?
Not for a couple of days.
Couple of days. Okay. We'll tough it out. But could you please stop doing the little things that are making everybody
know what you're talking
Sweetheart,
about.
it's me.
Okay. Is that it?
That's it. Hey, one other thing. How do you blink loudly?
Just a little Vaseline.
Okay, Tony, you sure you want to try this?
Yes, Paulie Paul, I am sure. Why does everybody assume I can't handle my own motorcycle?
Because you couldn't handle a spinning chair.
Two very different skills. And I only fell off once.
Okay, it's your own neck.
Yes, it is my own neck. My own scary hot dog neck. Speaking of which, remember your idea about scaring Megan?
Hey, would you stop calling that my idea?
Let me tell you where you were wrong. You can't scare that girl. She has no fear. You know something else?
What's that?
She gets it from her dad.
It's time to listen up. And now, here are your hosts.
Hey, I'm Bernie Whitmer.
I'm Tony. A little help.
Ups a daisy.
Ears!